David. Today I'm going to show you how to set up some workflow in order to guide your claims or invoices or timesheets through a specific authorization route. Workflow is managed through the administration area again. It should be said there is a standard built-in workflow that everything follows by default. So what I'm going to show you is how to override that and have your own custom workflow. If we click on the workflow button here, you can see there are various things in this section. We're going to look at workflow authorization. You'll see there's nothing actually set up in here yet. We click on the add new button and we're going to set up some workflow because I want a particular claimant to go to a particular manager. This is going to happen at authorization step 1, and it's always going to be checked first. And we save that and we add a condition. Now there are various things we can use to check here. We can check on categories, limits, various codings, types of forms, whether or not we report on tax, value of the claim, value of the line. What we're going to start here with is username, and we're going to check for claims specifically from claimant. We'll save that. Now this rule will only be triggered if a claim is created by this user. Now in addition, we don't want to just trap all of that user's claims. We only want them to be checked by somebody else if the value of the claim that they put in is over £500. Okay, so we now have two conditions here. It must have been created by the claimant and it must be greater than £500. Now if the claim meets those two rules and we want to assign the claim to a different user, in this case we would pick manager 3. Save that and you can see that we've got a new workflow rule. We can save that, and that rule now will guide these claims to that new authorizer in the event they meet those conditions.